Well, as we're going into Seattle, it's time for another Supercross injury update. We've got some new people out, we got some new people in, and of course we have the regulars. But starting off, Justin Brayton on his Instagram said, after a get-off last week in Indy resulting in concussion, I'm going to sit this weekend in Seattle out. After consulting my doctors, talking with the team and my family about it, we think it's best to wait and get back on the bike next week and be 100% ready for St. Louis in a couple weeks. Good thing I'm feeling totally fine, have been in the gym and on the bicycle the last few times, but Supercross is a different beast. At this point in my career, it's best to be smart. See you in a couple weeks, which is smart for him. That's a smart idea. Especially retiring this year. There's no point in pushing it and trying to go super hard. Another one, Shane McElrath, which the team posted on or put a statement out saying we will sit out this weekend Supercross round in Seattle after going down qualifying in Indianapolis and hitting his head. Shane rode Thursday afternoon and concluded he wasn't where he needed to be yet. He will sit out round 12 and not race Saturday. And of course, after that, he put out his own statement saying, quote unquote, pretty disappointed to say that I won't be lining up in Seattle this weekend. My knee was fine this week and spent some time on the bicycle and the gym with no problems. Tried to ride on Wednesday and immediately started getting a headache and feel the strain in my eyes and head as well, and a little bit of nausea. We decided to sit out this weekend to give my body some more rest, and we will continue to take things by day to day. So, sad to see for that. Ferrandis, after his crash in Detroit, he missed last weekend, and Pulpamex has basically said, don't expect him out, or don't expect him until MX. I think he didn't crash, he just took all the compression into his wrist, and it's better to sit out. Obviously this year in Supercross has not been going very well for him. Sad to see, but it is, one of those things. Max Dancy, after his horrible mess of injuries, he'll be out for a couple more weeks. Still, apparently he's had some x-rays, but they said, he need a couple more weeks to get back into full racing form, which, he had a lot of things wrong with him. Neck, rib, lung, heart, he was pretty well hurt for a while there. So it's good to see he's healing, but obviously it's better to take things slow. So smart for him. As we move out of the 450s, which let's just go run through the list of people. Obviously, you have Benny Bloss, collarbone out, Adam Cianciarillo out for a long time, Adam Entignab out, Dylan Ferrandis with the wrist, Josh Hill with the hip and the pelvis, can't speak. We have a whole bunch. Van Martin, he's out. Aaron Blessinger, obviously with the broken arm. Jerry Robin out. Apparently, he was just not running up to the standards he had set for himself, so he's going to sit out and heal for Seattle. Ken Roxon for his own health, ongoing issues, and Joey Savacci obviously with a torn ACL, so he's not coming back for Supercross this year. And as we move into the 250 West again, obviously you have the big one, Seth Hammaker. He has been, with all the injuries he got in that one crash, his post on Instagram, unfortunately I will not be racing Seattle this weekend. Recovery has been good and things are looking up. Planning to get back on the bike next week. We will see how the progress goes over the next couple weeks to see when we'll be returning to racing. I'm excited to get back to the race, and my team and fans, good luck to Kawasaki and Pro Circuit, whatever. Obviously he's going to promote the team as much as he can. Carson Mumford's back in. You can see his little short quip, ready to get back to racing this weekend. Ta-da, that was it. And obviously there is some other ones. Mitchell Falk still out, Ty Masterpool out, Carson Mumford back in, like I said, and the long running ones, Colt Nichols out. Joe Shimoda is in, even after with his sustained foot injury in A3, apparently he says his ankle is feeling better. Cole Thompson, Dylan Walsh, RJ Wageman out, and Dylan Schwartz. So that's the injury update for Seattle, going back west, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.